My name is Bright. I'm a participant of MMM community and I am from Edo State, Nigeria. I provided help of 100,000 naira on the 1st of September 2016, and when I requested to get help on the 6th of October 2016, wow, guess how much I received? I received the sum of 136,000 naira. Is that not wonderful? How many banks in Nigeria can give you 30% of your money within 30 days? None of them can offer such. So I encourage you viewers out there that are still in doubt if MMM is real to drop your doubt and join the moving train of financial freedom so that you can be financially free like me. God bless MMM. God bless Sergi Mavrodi. God bless Nigeria. Together we will change the world.